Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video here, and I'm going to be unboxing two cases for the Pixel 3a. And in this segment, it's actually going to be one case for the men, one case for the ladies. Actually, what originally happened was I ordered two cases, one for my Pixel 3a and one for the Pixel 3. However, they gave me the incorrect case for the Pixel 3, and so I figured before I send it back, I might as well just unbox it and show some people what it looks like. So we have two cases here. The first one here is from a company called Hatoshi. This one, bumped the camera. This one here is the Quicksand pink and gold case. So initially what this case is that it's got this lava lamp liquid type liquid inside the case itself. And it has confetti and stuff inside. So let me just kind of get everything out of here to see what you guys get. Now this case goes for $5.99 on Amazon. Pretty steep, you know. No, I guess you could say it's steal. Stumbling on my words here, but it's a steal. $5.99, you get all this, right? So it comes with all these brochures and get a extra free gift. I might go check that out. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, you get like a warning guide and about this, and so yeah, it comes with two screen protectors. Now these aren't premium glass screen protectors. They feel more like really hard plastic, but they're not flimsy plastic, so it works, I guess. But you get two of those, so you can always keep one for a backup in case you do split the first one. You got a second one that you could use. So here's the case itself, and we're gonna go ahead and pop my Pixel 3a inside of it so you guys get an idea of what it looks like. And there you have it. As you guys can see, you got all that confetti just kind of floating around. And an interesting thing about this case that most people probably didn't know you could do is these cases you could actually stick inside the refrigerator. Like if you live in a very hot place, you're about to go outside, and your phone's gonna heat up. You could actually chill the case, and the liquid inside will keep your phone cool. So that's a neat little thing. They don't really advertise that, but it's something that you can do. I've done it before and totally safe. So anyhow, so that's this case. Let me go ahead and put all its contents back together, and then we'll go ahead and look at the next case here. So put that away. And so for the next case, what I have here is from Spigen. This is the liquid crystal case for the Pixel 3a. So it's a complete clear case, especially like if you have the Pixel 3a and you have the purplish color and you kind of want the color to kind of shine when you're holding the device. You get a clear case which doesn't disrupt the actual design of the device itself. You can see through that bad boy. So let's go ahead and pull it out, and there you have it. There it is, the Spigen liquid crystal clear case, and it's got air cushion technology on the corners, which is supposed to help with shock absorption. But there you have it, right on the Pixel 3a, and it actually looks pretty good. So it doesn't compromise, it looking the way it does, but yet it does protect the device. So a couple of things here is kind of look at, see if we can get that to focus in. But in the corner is supposed to have that air cushion technology, and it's printed on the side of the case itself. There you go, air cushion technology. All the cutouts to the ports are pretty much on par. So anyways, guys, that's it. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think by dropping a like. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And as always, aloha.